Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be making chocolate chip mug cake. So let's get started. So right here we have 6 tablespoons of flour. We're using wheat flour, but you can use bleached flour. And to this we will be adding a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And you will have to sift this out, so make sure you use a sifter. So now we will sift. Alright guys, so we have sifted this all together, and to this we will add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright, so that salt is added, and this we will mix together. Alright, we are done with the dry ingredients for now. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. Alright guys, so for the wet ingredients, we will be adding 1 egg. Alright guys, so we have the egg cracked into the bowl, and to this we will be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, next we will be adding in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next we will whisk it. Okay guys, so we have the mixture, wet and mixture mixed up well, and now we will combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. Okay guys, so we will add the dry and the wet ingredients together. So we're going to incorporate this slowly. Alright guys, we have the wet and the dry ingredients mixed up. And next we will be adding the chocolate chips. We will be using semi-sweet, but you can use any kind of chocolate chips you would like. Alright, so we will add the chocolate chips. We're adding 2 handfuls about, but you can add more or less depending on your taste. Alright, so now we will mix the ingredients in, the chocolate chips into the cake, and after you mix it, we will place this into the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes depending on your microwave's speed. Alright, so this is all mixed up, and now we will take the excess off the outsides and smoothen it down so it's nice and even. Alright, so now we're going to place this in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes depending on your microwave speed. Alright guys, our cake is ready now. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.